gifted as another minister of God. And see, that's how people look down on you. See, now these days, people got their favorite preachers. Come on there and say, we having something, begin to say, who preaching her? How is she? How is he? That ain't God. You just come to church to hear your favorite preacher. You don't know who you serve. Come on here and serve man. Come on, somebody. It's happening today. How is she? How is he? And see, that's what they're talking about power. He ain't gifted up. He ain't been called up. But you got to know who you are in Christ. Do you know who you are in Christ? Therefore, he did not belong in the pulpit at Corinth, nor stood his authority be accepted at Corinth. Paul claimed that all ministers are equal. Paul exposes the shameful phrase upon our appearance and upon the written of ministers. Apparently, some were judging Paul past for sinful life as the persecutor. You know that he was a persecutor and he was a murderer. And that's what people hold your past against you. That's what they'll hold your past. But you got to know who you are in Christ. Paul said, forget about those things that behind you. He said, press towards the mark of the high calling. Are you ready for the high calling? You better forget about your past. People bring your past up and they'll stop you from reaching your destiny. Come on here. From doing the will of God. I know what I used to do. I know what I used to do. Come on here. I used to smoke reefer. Y'all used to call me pothead. But I've been delivered. By the blood of the Lamb.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord.
I used to go clubbing, but I just don't change pockets. I got a new bed for Jesus. You better know that you know people of God. Don't let people say, yeah, I'm saved. I know I used to do that. But what did the word of God say? Anyone be in Christ, he's a new creation. Come on. Old things have passed away. New things become. Hallelujah. I am a new creature in Jesus Christ. Hallelujah. Thank you. Appear to have stronger and more appealing gifts. And see, that's how people look down on you. If you ain't a better preacher, if you ain't speaking well, and if you ain't singing well, and all of this, they want their favorite singer and all this stuff. But we got to forget about that stuff. Amen? Because that ain't about that. It ain't even of God. It ain't even of God. It's about Jesus. We done got church mixed up in there, right? We done got church mixed up. Come on here.
That's all right.
All right. I come to make the devil mad.
That's right.
Yeah, I'm glad that everybody is here and everything. I thank you for supporting me, but I come to see Jesus. I come to see Jesus. Hallelujah. I come to see Jesus. And whatever he helped me to do, that's what I want to do. Still talking about Paul. Paul is forceful in his rebuke. Why do you look upon a judge by out appearance? If any man claims that he belongs to Christ and that Christ has called him, I too make the same claim. That think about it. Just think about it and think it over again. A claim is a personal conviction and a personal conviction is subject. One man's personal conviction and claim is as good as another man's. Therefore, if a man says that he belongs to Christ, I too belongs to Christ. I belong to Christ as much as he does. My claim is as valid as his. Come on, somebody. I belong to Christ. Let's sell it right there. Let's sell it right there. I know that I can't do this better than you or whatever, but I belong to Christ. I know that I know that I know. Hallelujah. That's it. Yeah. A description of Paul's personal appearance has come down to us from a very early book called The Acts of Paul, and it dates back to about AD 200. It is so unsettling that it may well be true. It describes Paul as a man of little stature, thin hair upon the head, crooked in the legs, a good state of body, with eyebrows meeting and with nose somewhat crooked, full of grace, for sometimes he appeared like a man, and sometimes he had the face of an angel. A little baldy, bandit-legged man, and they were saying he was bow-legged. With a hook nose and shaggy eyebrows. It is not a very impressive picture. It may well be that the Corinthians made great play with it. And see, that's how people do. They'll look if you got a big head, a big nose, or whatever, and they begin to look at you on that. And see, you can't hang with them because the way you look. But how many know God looks at the heart? He don't look at the eyebrows. He looks at the heart. Hallelujah. I thank God that he looks at the heart. And people start picking at people. You see how big their head is? You see how big their nose is? They got big teeth. That's how people do. People pick at you.
Amen. Amen.
Pick at you. That's a shameful God.
Amen.
That people do that. They do that. They do. Isn't that right, brother? They do that.
Yes, they will.
But when Jesus said he was going to anoint David as king, and first Samuel, and there were 7 boys, somebody said 7 boys, and they began to say, no, not this one, no, not that one. He said, there's another there, there's one right there, taking care of the sheep. I can imagine David, he was all dirty and smelly, but he didn't have to go get washed up. He didn't have to go put on a suit. Come on, somebody, because God looks at the heart. David was a man after God's own heart.
That's right, girl.
She tell y'all this right now.
All right.
Don't y'all let nobody, I don't care who they are, what title they have, intimidate you. People intimidate me, intimidate me. But I've been delivered. I know who I am. I've been delivered. Good God Almighty. So don't let nobody intimidate you. Baby girl over there, don't you let nobody intimidate you. Baby girl, don't you let nobody intimidate you. You go higher in the Lord. Hold your hand up. You go higher if they have a home more than you. Good God Almighty. Not supposed to you. Don't let nobody intimidate you.
That's awesome. I like that. Awesome.
Yes, it is. Good word.
Now we're going to the scriptures. Amen.
All right.
That's right.
Paul had experienced the spiritual power of Christ. God had given Paul deep and intimate spiritual experience. There was the deep that he might be in to think highly of himself. Therefore, God gave Paul a song in the flesh. And see, some of us got too highly in ourselves because we are a bishop now. We are apostle now. That's God. That's good. That's God. That's good. But see, you got too high for yourself. You can't speak to me because my name ain't out there much. I don't preach everywhere all the time. So you can't speak to me because you got too high up in yourself. Get up out of yourself. I can be sitting and they know I'm a minister, but it's all good, you know. I can be sitting, they know I'm a minister. You be looking over here, say somebody else, say, oh, we take minister, you know I'm a minister. They say nothing about me, but that's all right. I know who I am. You go ahead on my head. Who is this?
Yes, sir.
Every day I walk, I've been getting delivered every day. Get delivered every day.
Come on.
Now focus on that shit. So you miss your destiny.
That's right.
You begin to start focusing on that stuff. Well, they call my name. Well, they know I'm a minister. They ask me, well, so what, baby? I have a daycare in my home. I preach to them little kids. They begin to start praising the Lord. That's good enough for me. Still talking about Paul. Paul needed a song to keep him ever mindful that he was no better than another man. We ain't no better than nobody. You may have more than me, but you ain't no better than me.
Amen.
What it is, we don't